Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can find and use flashlight. So in most cases you can open the notification bar 2 times and you will find the flashlight right here on the first or on the second page. And let me show you. I will turn off the light and take a look when I click here to open flashlight. As you can see, here it is. Take a look. It's working. So if you want to turn it off, just tap on this icon another time, and basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.